Focus down. Cheerio, just watch that mount. Not sure if they're moving left or right from that.
Okay. Scavenger moving right.
He's hobbling.
Oh.
Yeah, I got him.
Springers!
Springers! Too bad I haven't got my shirt on.
Moving right.
How far right?
Middle.
Just close to us.
You're getting closer.
Now, can we get someone small Cheerio? What's up? Just this wood pile just in front of us here. Moving right. Moving real right. Still going. He's on the other side of the road.
Yeah, maybe two on right.
More bogus. Where did you go, Wookie? Where Foxhole was last time. Yes. Yeah, I got him. Yeah, hey, it's not bad. Had worse.
Hey Slim, there's still one behind the wood pile, FYI.
What pile? Oh, yeah, just here.
Yeah, just here in front of us.
Cool. It's seamless. Here's yours, Ben.
Yep.
You're right. There's another one going right. It's the other side of the road.
Yep.
That's two down.
Fucking foxhole. Come on, Foxy. Foxy lady! Where's Oh, I'm sorry, bro. No way. Oh, shit. No fucking way. Bro. Oh.
What did he just do?
Shot him. Spawn and he shot him.
Oh.
You're right, they're gonna fucking hate bolt actions.
Yeah, they're gonna fucking hate them now.
Springers!
Springers! Everyone needs a bolt action. Oh wait, 2 kills away from convincing the entire club to get one. Scab's gone real left. Real left.
Real left.
Real left.
Other
Oh
left.
wait, pretend left.
1 minute hold spawn.
Right. Where's that?
He's straight out in front of us.
That fucking mount?
Yeah, he's just in behind the trees over there. There's one heading back into spawn.
Oh,
Yeah, see they're going left.
Yep.
Sorry, right.
Yep.
I'm dry.
Yeah, it sounds pretty dry to me, boy.
You reckon?
Two, three.
Oh, they're hating me right now.
I'll be hating both of us. So you're fucking rush us, bro.
Yeah, they are going to rush.
Bro.
They're still behind that pine tree. One's broken right, two breaking right. Third one crouching. Fucking hell.
Foxhole, going left. Stand low. Another one down.
Cheerio. There's 2 or 3 coming this way.
I think there's 2 now.
I don't really want to be up in the tower.
I don't really want to be up in the tower. Huh? 372 plus, yeah. About 400. About 4 what? Oh, we're trying to. Have you got some food? No. Go on the way back. Be interesting anyway. Doesn't hop very far though. Charge them down.
Yeah. Should we just tell them to instant respawn? Wait, aren't they already instant respawn?
Hey, right hand side's gone quiet, guys.
Yeah. Where'd they all go?
They've gone into the trees across the road.
Yeah, I can hit one of them popping random shots off. 3 coming. Cheerios on it.
Because I've got random frontal engagements out here, out towards their spawn. And I'm not sure where. I can't pin it down. Oh, there it is.
Foxhole,
Yeah, it's foxhole.
Trying to fucking float them in. Too fast for you?
Some boys.
Who's been? Oh, right. It's the fucking war drums.
Yeah. That's the
Ambiance.
ambiance.
I hear that.
Hounds of war.
Close?
Yeah, I'm coming close. Oh, right.
I'll jump up on the wall.
Good.
Where are they?
Other side of the road, other side of those dead trees, down low.
Ah! What's the respawn?
1 minute
Someone's gonna
hold.
hold you.
1 for hold. 2 hands, 1 hold.
Two girls, 1 cup.
Yeah.
There's paintballers out there.
Okay.
Yep, real close.
How close? I'm talking about.
See over my shoulder that white netting in between the trees, just behind there. Can you see the legs?
How many meters?
Approximately 50 meters.
One on the wrist.
When,
Hey, Roman! See this hand waving? I'm dead.
Hold your gun up high, bro, if you can.
Yeah. Watch yourself though.
Live!
Because I just have to get in the base, doesn't matter which ball.
Alan! Other side! Foxhole! Which side it was on, so...
Fuck! Hit!
Whoa! Yeah. Hit me in the face though.
Medic!
Can I medic?
Yes. That's a 1 minute, 2 hand hold. Just stay down low.
Live!
Oh, hit!
Live! Close.
Not close, but no. What's this?
No, don't give it back to him.
No, throw it back over the wall.
What's on the top?
I got caught on the edge. That was close, guys. It landed on top of the netting. Fuck me.
Probably going to get shot in the back of the head here.
Now stop standing.
Fuck me, that hurt.
I'm surprised you shot the unit off the.
Yeah.
It must have just.
It's a matter of like, I was flinching like
That's
fuck
the only
that.
problem with roll action.
I know.
You know when you play a computer game,
Yeah.
it's actually, I always thought it's a load of bullshit how you can't hit the
I know. You really
So
can't.
true.
Hector! Yeah, don't worry about it. Hey, Roman! No, bro! Fucking Jesus Christ!
Ben,
Yo,
that bunker right there.
I'm dead! I was asking if you hit it. No! Someone got you, it didn't hit it. Watch